So just take this tool, take the arrow, and then I just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just quick little easy deburring tool. Doesn't have to be super, you don't have to go a lot. You just do a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just like that. Do that to each arrow, front and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then what I usually do is I just check with a knock. Throw a knock in there and spin it to see how it looks. Usually you want to get the perfect amount of space around the whole knock. And then I usually just do the same with the insert. And then that's pretty much it. The arrow cutting and squaring and deburring side is pretty much almost done. Just got to do that to all of these. And then I will clean off the outside and the inside of both sides. Once I do that, then I can start throwing in inserts, gluing in inserts, and then throwing on my knocks, and then fletching them. But yeah, just do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nothing special. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, pretty much almost done. And then they look like this. A 180 up front, and then 2 max delts in the back with a knock. 449 grains, pretty much 450. But, and then that's a full complete arrow. And I have a dozen, and then I got another 8 ready to go. So I think I have about 19. No, I got 7. So I got about 19 arrows. Should be good for arrows for a while, but yeah, almost done. Process still continuing.